The subject of this video is the Sharepoint recycle bin. Go to your Sharepoint site, click on recycle bin, and you can see some content there that I've deleted over the past day or so. Let's test deleting some files and restoring. So let's browse to a document library. And let's click the ellipses and select delete. And let's delete that as well. Go to recycle bin, there's the files. Click restore. We'll go back to the library and do a refresh. So documents will stay in your recycle bin for about 30 or 90 days. They go to the first recycle bin, then they go to the secondary, then they're permanently deleted. Hope you enjoyed. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.